Here's how to fix TikTok direct message if it's not working. Now, if you're on TikTok and you're trying to DM a specific person or multiple people and it's just not working, you need to get it fixed. I'll walk you through those steps. Now, the first thing we're going to do is open up this article here, and it says on here, direct messaging on TikTok is available to registered account holders age 16 or older. So when you sign up for TikTok, if you're age under 16, then any of those direct messages will be disabled. Basically, that is not a feature until you turn 16. And there is a caveat to this. If potentially you have parental restrictions on your account between 16 and 18, you might be limited in the ability to send messages. Now, keep that in mind. But if that doesn't apply to you, let's hop into TikTok here. I'm going to walk you through some steps to get it fixed. Now, let's tap on profile at the bottom right here. And you can see I have my profile set up. It is a public profile. And if I wanted to message anyone, I can just go home and swipe to the left on any of these. Now you can see I don't necessarily follow this account, but I can tap on that little message icon there and I can send them a message. It says at the very top, you can send up to 3 messages until this user accepts your message request. Now keep in mind, this is common feature because ultimately I don't follow this account, they don't follow me, and you'll be limited in terms of being able to send the messages. Now, if you do send a message, but they just block you or ignore you, then of course you can't send them any more messages. You'll just have to try it with a different account. So these are limitations in terms of how you can and cannot send messages. Of course, if you follow an account and they follow you back, then you can send as many messages back and forth as you want. But if it's still not working, if you're not able to send any messages and you haven't been blocked by them, you can always go through the steps of hopping into your settings, tap on general, and then iPhone storage. And what we're going to do is find TikTok on this list. Here it is. We're going to offload the app and reinstall it on the iPhone. If you're on Android, just clear the cache, delete the app, and then reinstall the app. So I'm going to hit reinstall here. And basically by going through this step, it basically installs a fresh new version of TikTok and a lot of times fixes any kind of bugs or issues, including with any kind of direct messages. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.